el mejor músico de todos los tiempos.
Welcome to Santa Fe. I'm very happy for you. Sí. Quisiera preguntarle algunas cosas al respecto de la película Coco. Es una película, de cierta forma, que muestra un patrimonio cultural. Tú la muestras a manera que lo muestras como ese profesionalismo que te caracteriza como productor, como director, cineasta. Y mucha gente no cree, es escéptica que Santa Fe, en la imagen del pueblo de Santa Cecilia, fue tomada por tu modo de ver el mundo y por tu modo de inspirarte realmente en comunidades indígenas como una cultura propia. ¿Dónde fue tu inspiración?
What was your inspiration?
It's very true. Santa Fe de la Laguna very much inspired Coco. When we were doing research, when we were figuring out what the story was going to be, we came to Mexico 7 years ago, and we visited many places, Mexico City, Oaxaca, Guanajuato, and we found inspiration in all of those places. But when we visited Santa Fe de la Laguna, I said to myself, this is the kind of place where I think Miguel lived. And so we took a lot of photos all over town, all of the streets and buildings and the Zocalo. And when you watch Coco, I don't know why anyone would be skeptical, because it looks just like Santa Fe de la Laguna. Mm-hmm. And it looks like Santa Fe de la Laguna because I wanted it to look like Santa Fe de la Laguna. And your house, where we're sitting, when I visited this place, I fell in love with it. And I decided that I wanted Miguel's house to feel, it doesn't look just like your house, but it feels like your house. So there were a lot of little details in the feeling of your house that helped us to design the house and the workshop where Miguel and his family live. I remember when we were here in the house, I think right there, see?
Sí, yeah.
I was looking around and I peeked. And there was a very old woman sitting and watching television in that room, and that gave me the idea for Mama Coco to have her own room in the house. I don't think I met your aunt that night, but I saw she was old and in a chair watching TV. Okay. But I'm proud that so many people in Santa Fe de la Laguna feel ownership over Coco, because they deserve it. Coco would not be the movie that it is without Santa Fe de la Laguna. From the very beginning, we wanted Coco to be very culturally authentic and respectful, and we did everything that we could to do that. And I'm proud that we made a film that could share your culture and all of the things that are so important to you with the entire world.
Tenemos la oportunidad de tenerte aquí en esta comunidad de Santa Fe de la Laguna, indígena, un 100% actual. Hablamos nuestra lengua materna, lo cual yo me siento orgulloso de poder proyectar la riqueza cultural de mi comunidad mediante el habla, mediante el vestido purépecha y la comida y las pirecuas que anoche pudimos compartir. 3 patrimonios culturales de la humanidad que estuvieron presentes ayer en la noche en la fiesta de las ánimas. Okay, thank you so much. Welcome.
Yeah.